Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't want to take too long. I literally want to get into the video, but before I get into the video, I wanted to start off by saying I just got the wig, and before you guys see it, after I did everything, I'm about to bleach the knots, pluck it, and I'm also gonna like soak it to make sure it smells good. And so yeah, just in case anybody was wondering if the wig had already came like that and stuff, I literally like just washed my hair because of the fact that I wanted to make sure it was flat for my wig, even though it's not a straight one. I still wanted my install flat. This is actually a really nice size cap. Like, it was just like making my eyes water. Alright. Alright, and then I'm just pushing that in. And this time, well, I can't really say that, but like, the straight wig I had, my sideburns were too short. Like, my real sideburns were longer than my wig sideburns. So I always had to put glue on top of my hair, but I just like comb it out over like when I take my wigs out. But I was just gonna say, like, for this wig, I was gonna try to like make my wig extend longer, that way I can protect my side edges. But it also depends on if the wig has hair that goes all the way down. And I just want to make sure it's just like really down. And Ruby's Kisses Cream Foundation. I'm going to apply it where like my real hair is. Yeah. Good. And then I'm covering it like right here because I like to do, you know, parts. I'm going to show you this so you can see that it does make a difference, because this is a super look, can you guys see that? I feel like you can't really see it. I feel like you can see it now a little bit. I feel like you see it in a certain extent. But yeah, I'm just pretty much going through, and pretty much this lace is just gonna turn brown, so it won't be like this color when it's on. And okay, I feel like I did it good. So I'm gonna get this now just to see how it looks. Also, now that we're at it, I'm actually gonna cut this, and then we're gonna go and put makeup on it. I usually prefer to put black makeup on this part. Now I put like makeup on it, and now like, you know, like the lace that was sticking up, you can't see it no more because it's been cut. But yeah, like the ends are a little tangled. They had like something on them. Alright, but now let's see how the wig looks, because I want to be able to see. And when I install this wig, I'm gonna do like one side first and then the other one. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this Supreme Bond glue, and I usually used to use a regular one. This is my first time trying this glue. I'm gonna be so mad if it don't work out compared to how the other one is, because this was like an extra $10. So I spent like, I forgot, but yeah. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna do this side first. It's your hair. Use how much you need, how much you want. Okay, and I'm just gonna use this to apply it. But I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did not measure the glue nor my wig when I did this. I kind of just go in for it, because what doesn't fit my head is gonna get cut, and then it's not like you can't go and pluck it away. if you do like have too much hair. The glue stopped here, but now we're gonna brush it down so we can build up the layer. So now I'm brushing down on it. And all we're doing is making this blend with the first layer of glue. And I'm putting this one kind of like in the middle of the ones I had already made, and I'm putting this back on. Okay. Alright, y'all, so I just put this side on. Now we're about to pull and put this one. Okay, and I'm going in with this brush, and I'm like brushing it but pushing it like in at the same time. Okay, so let's cut this, I guess. So I'm just cutting the lace off. And it better look like scalp. Alright, y'all, so this is how it looks after cutting the lace off. But I'm going in with this spray. And we're going to tie this again. It is off. I have this stuff laying on my edges, hoping that it's gonna make everything look like scalp. When this has been like sitting for like 15 minutes to where it's pretty much like dry, because don't forget I had put that spray on. So this spray it's also fast drying, but it's sweat proof, so it's gonna make it, like everything like real good. So yeah, the wig is on. I need to do my baby hairs. Turn it off. Gonna take some hair right here. So we can get to the next part. This is spraying it like this. Okay, now we're cutting. Alright, y'all, so this is how it's looking, period. The only thing I have to do now is my edges. So let me show you guys how I do that. Alright, so I'm using Eco Styling Gel, and I'm also using my Wonder Bond adhesive spray. I know a lot of people be using like mousse and stuff, but not me. Okay, and then I go in with my spray. And I just make sure everything is covered, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I don't know if you can tell or not, but I'm definitely more of a dramatic edge person when it comes to a lace front. A lot of people like to go with natural looks so it doesn't look like they're wearing a wig, but if I'm gonna buy a wig, might as well make it look like a wig, you know? You still can't see no lace. My edges are just super dramatic. Yeah. But my eyelids keep sticking. Thanks for watching, falls. And yeah, I have not like wetted or styled it. All I did was really just install it, but super long, super cute. And yeah, bye.